If you always think that you're not ready to start your coaching business, I get it. I used to think that I need to know everything about business before starting. But now I'm running my own business, creating done for you courses which coaches can sell to their clients. So that coaches like you can focus on your clients, coaching your clients, whilst I take care of the content creation for you. So the first thing I did was to start my business with a growth mindset. So when we are running a business, we have to put our ego aside because it's constantly a learning experience. So I was aware that my blog design when I was just starting out was not sophisticated at all. My blog posts were not perfectly structured and I did not even know what SEO was at that time. But what I did was I joined some Facebook groups and I watched some videos and some free and some paid ones and implemented what other entrepreneurs suggested. So there was a lot of trial and error during that time. So I created videos which were very basic, very raw, very long-winded and even boring, I would say. But the experience was priceless. So my motivation for you, if you want to start a business but you don't think that you are ready, is to just start. Start with a YouTube channel, start with a blog, start with a podcast, or with anything that you're comfortable with, even social media. And trust me, you will learn a lot more when you do things and experiment as opposed to just learning from courses or learning from video tutorials. We learn the fastest from experience, and the more mistakes we make, the more we learn. Another thing I did was to have a mindset shift. So I looked at my business as a lifelong commitment. You may be running your business 20, 30, 40 years down the road or even more if you are intending to pass your business down to your children or to whoever it is. So when we look at our business in that way, we will realize that making mistakes and trying new things is going to be an everyday thing. So failing, flopping, creating products that no one wants to buy, conducting Instagram lives that nobody watches, launching programs that nobody registers for, getting nasty comments, or even getting demanding clients are just part of this whole journey. So you can run a business for 20 years and you will still fail, get bad reviews, get scammed, or get demanding clients at some point. So we don't need to be obsessed with learning everything before starting a business because your business is going to be a lifelong journey and you learn along the way. At this point in the video, you may be wondering if there is a shortcut to start your coaching business fast. So that's why I want you to download my free self-exploration coaching tool to use as a lead magnet to get subscribers to your mailing list. So you can simply click the link in my description box below to get your copy for free. Now with that out of the way, let's move on to the next tip on how to start your business even when you don't feel that you are ready. The next tip I'll share with you to start your coaching business is to treat it like a fun project. And I know this sounds a bit like some fluffy advice, but having fun keeps you committed to your business and to anything really. So if you're having fun, your enthusiasm will show in your videos, will show in your writing, and will show in your products and whatever trainings or master classes or workshops that you create. So your self-worth ideally should not be tied to your business. And your business is like a separate project in your life where you're allowed to have fun, help people and get paid at the same time. So it can be a very beautiful thing. So if you're starting a coaching business but not making money yet, you can always work a part-time job or do freelance work or even pick up a full-time job to pay your bills and settle the practical aspects of life whilst you're getting your business running. So do what it takes to make you feel secure about having fun and experimenting in your business, if security is important to you. While most people can follow these steps and start a YouTube channel or a blog, I find that people get even faster results when they have a high value lead magnet to get email subscribers. So if you're someone who wants to level up fast, you can watch this video where I show you inside my ready to use positive mindset workbook, which you can use as a lead magnet to get subscribers to your mailing list. So thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one.